Zombie, zombie. Oh, hey guys, what's up? I have a couple packages here, and it's been a while since I did a what's in the box, but you can kind of see I've already opened it a little, but I felt like I should show you guys what's inside because some pretty cool stuff. And it was one of you guys that sent it to me, so thank you very much. So this one's already open. Let's just see what we got in here. Some of these things I've never seen before, so that's pretty awesome. These are Thrive Market vegan, organic, gluten-free mac and cheese. One is wheat and one of gluten-free. Haven't tried them, so I'm looking forward to it. Some instructions, I think, in there. Who makes the best pizza in LA? I'll have to look through these instructions too. Okay, I actually have some of this in the freezer. It's very beneficial. It's very healthy. Take about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of this a day. Put it in your smoothie, your salads, whatever. This is black cumin seed powder, a black seed powder, black seed oil. This is the actual powder, and the one I have was the seed, so I grind up my own. This is already ground up. I like to take this on the daily, so thank you for that. So we got two different spices here. That smells like that would be good on some like tofu. Edible organic food paint by Crayola. I would think that my nieces would probably like that. Come out with some food and put that on top. Maybe right on top of your mac and cheese or whatever. I don't know. I also got some paintbrushes there. Look at these little bamboo. Toss your salad in there. You got like a little fork. You turn it around. You got a spoon. That's pretty cool. I have a bunch of other bamboo utensils and stuff too. We got some goods. I hear you can't even get these anymore. That would be John in my cookbook, The Vegan Zombie Cook and Survive, in print. This one right here still has the package on it. Thank you for my cookbook. Again, now I have a few back in stock. Pretty cool, because again, they're out of stock. But this year, right now, is the 10-year anniversary of the cookbook, so I really want to try to get it re-released. Dr. Michael Greger, How Not to Diet. His brand new book right now is How Not to Age. He has a How Not to Die. I look to his stuff for everything. I like nutritionfacts.org. Dr. Greger, yeah, great guy. The Korean Vegan. We have some little sticky notes on there. Korean Vegan. I'll have to read these later. I gotta put the reading glasses on to read these. So, oh, bibimbap. Bibimbap is one of my favorites, as some of you guys might know that. We got some vegan books, including my own. We'll go on to the second box. How could I forget about them though? I already opened it. I swear I might not have only taken one package out of there, but we have a whole bag of these vegan Reese's peanut butter cups. They are delicious. Now I will tell you, if you have one that is like not brand new, it could be the inside could be a little bit powdery and not quite as good, and you might be like, this is not that good, Chris, what are you talking about? Take this, put it in the microwave for 10 seconds, maybe 15 seconds. You don't want it to melt all together, or just put it in your pocket for a while, and then when you're ready to eat it, take it out, and then it'll be nice and gooey and delicious. Yeah, some more bags of goodies here. This is ice cream. I guess you can make your own ice cream, and there's pudding, ice cream pudding, and I think it's in German, so I'll have to use my app to actually read it. And here's some other goodies. Mango and guava fruits here. And then we got some like different berry, like little bars, I think. Right there. Vegan gingerbread spice. So I can make my own gingerbread. It's funny, whereas over there I just made a loaf of bread. Nutiva, so like a vegan Nutella. I've never even had Nutella before. Never even heard of it before I went vegan. But there's several different vegan Nutellas out there. This is interesting as well. This is bee-free honey. Got another bee-free honey there. There's another vegan Nutella. So I've actually had this one before. It's been a while, a long time ago. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's either Nocciolata or Nocciolata. Maybe one of those two is right. But this stuff, if I remember correctly, is so delicious. And this actually was waiting for me at the post office. So this was actually sent there a little while ago, late November or early December. But this is Chalk Zero hot chocolate, vegan hot chocolate. I love hot chocolate. And then Nibmore. I remember meeting the lady that was the founder of this company, but I think she since sold it, so I don't think it's the same owners anymore. So now Nibmore has organic hot cocoa, traditional, and mint. I can't wait to try this. Okay, this is pure ground Tahitian vanilla. They had a whole bin of these at Expo last year, and they were just, you know, at the very last day, they're to take whatever. And they had 3 or 4 different flavors. So I grabbed I think I grabbed one of each flavor, but other people were just grabbing mounds of them. And I really wish I grabbed all 4 flavors at least of this one, because this is the best one that I've tried by this company, Vegan. And this chocolate right here it's amazing. It's really, really good. And so thank you for sending me this one, because out of all their flavors, this is my favorite flavor. You know, I've seen these at Walmart and they're like $6 or $7 just for one. We have Vegan Pantry by Miyoko, and she shows you how to make butter and all kinds of other things in your pantry. By the way, I actually have a video with Miyoko a long time ago where she makes homemade vegan mozzarella cheese. And I have another one where we did like a little tour of the first factory that she had when she started the business. She's no longer the CEO of the company, but the videos are there if you want to check them out. Artisan Vegan Cheese by Miyoko shows you a bunch of her cheese. Oh, and one more thing that came in a big long box that I've already opened is this right here. This is a sandwich maker. Put this over the fire. I did a lot of cast iron fire cooking last fall. And this isn't your average sandwich maker. This is a nice one. So thank you for that. And I think that's where this recipe comes in, the cherry mountain pie. You know, just the word mountain in there just makes cherry pie sound all the more better, at least to me. So I can't wait to use this thing. And I might not even have to wait until summer and fall to use this. I could probably fire it up in the winter if I really wanted to. So who knows? Maybe I'll try that. Or if not, I'll wait until it gets a little bit warmer and use this in the summer and try to make some different things with it. So again, thank you so much for everything here. I appreciate it. You didn't have to do this, but I can't wait to try everything. And that's it for this video. Stay safe. Watch out for zombies. I'll see you guys next time.